You called it, Sterling!
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for Copano, Aransas, and Redfish Bays, Corpus Christi and New EAS Bays, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles west of Rockport, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar.
You called it!
Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves.
Why did my sand gene fail?
And heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing light jackets. Locations and
Oh, I know why it failed. I'll fix that in a minute.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The current time is 4:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Okay.
Here are the 4 p.m. South Texas weather observations. At Corpus Christi, mostly sunny. Temperature 96 degrees, dew point 76, and relative humidity 52%, producing a heat index of 109. Wind southeast at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 23.
Is it? Ah, fuck it.
The pressure 20.
But you legit called it.
And falling. Across the area, Navy Corpus Christi, mostly sunny.
You legit fucking called it.